Hello. Thanks for dropping in and being part of this unboxing operation. By the way, if you're worried about why does it look like not straight, well, it's quite simple. It's on the hood of my car, and it's straight, but it's on an angle. So here it is. It's out of the plastic, it's out of the box, it's out of everything. Now, is it as perfect can be? Well, in terms of working, I don't know. I haven't plugged it in. In terms of cosmetics, it's close to perfect. All I can see when I look at it is there's a tiny little mark just in front of, kind of between the fast forward and the play key, right about there. Tiny little mark. And as I go around it, like, it's white, it's clean, the decal is beautiful, the keyboard looks dandy. Anyway, I'm just going around and looking, and all I can see, and I haven't really looked at that far side, but all I can really see is there's a little scratch up here on the top, maybe about an inch, and that's it. Besides that, it's mighty lovely, it's mighty beautiful, it's mighty original. And yes, I did mention the serial number does indeed match the box. So, no doubt, this is the machine that was bought by this fellow in 1977. Way back when. And if the numbering goes, as one might think numbering goes, it would be the 623rd, I think that's what I said, 623, yes. The 623rd, because probably they started the serial numbers at 10,000, but who knows, I don't know. Somebody out there probably knows better than I. So it's still pretty early. Now the screws are in it, I have not opened it, I have not looked. I do not have any fears that there's anything terrible going on inside, like it's been properly stored, so I don't think there's been any mice or rats or anything else. Right, there's one tiny little mark there. But you know, I'm sure that a magic eraser, it can't fix things like the two marks I mentioned. It doesn't do scratches, but other little wee things, it's very good at taking off. It is. So, I suppose it wouldn't be a bad idea to try and open it up before I try and turn it on, just in case there's something that shouldn't be, like some other thing stuck in there that's lying across the circuit board that's going to short everything out and make it go up in smoke. But I really don't think that that's the case. Oh, there goes a chipmunk. Oh, that's where you're going. Well, it's funny, I've seen a little bit of a crevice at the front of the house, and I thought, oh yeah, I should fill that in. Well, I just see that a chipmunk just ran in there, so I guess I need to be careful before. I certainly don't want to kill the little fellow. Alright, so I'm at a crossroads. Do I look inside, or do I just plug it in? That is the question. The answer? I'm just not sure. I think before I do much more flipping around of it, I would want to put some other protective something underneath here, because getting at the screws is not easy. I probably have to put it on its back, and I don't want to scratch it up. I don't want to cause any damage. As they say, do no harm. So, and if I feel under here, the screws are in. I think they're Phillips. I think. Am I brave? I don't know if I'm brave. I don't want to touch. I want to get something to put under it first. Yes, that is what I would like to do. So I will ponder. I will torment myself. And until then, stay tuned. We'll see what I see. We'll see what you see. We'll see what we all see. Thank you very much. Bye for now.